In case you missed it, I'm back on my Coin Lady channel. I have discovered some facts on XRP today that changes everything, ladies and gentlemen. Incredible as it is, it goes all the way back to 2013 and reveals the involvement of powerful people in the XRP ecosystem. Some of these people have massive plans for 2025. So you better brace yourself for the insaneness that is about to ensue. Before we get into it, I'd like to quickly go over XRP's week. Things are looking better again, and I'm beginning to think we'll be breaking $3 shortly. Therefore, I think $2.46 is a fantastic bargain. There is a glaring tendency when you examine these charts. Of course, we're back to where we were in early December, even though it's only been a month. The news is so really astounding. Alright, let's get into the wild stuff. I mean, there's a solid explanation for why I've started mentioning Elon Musk, Peter Thiel, and a few others more frequently in my videos recently. In both politics and technology, you may find some of the world's most powerful people. Finally, the XRP ledger has just disclosed some absolutely mind-boggling information. We can see a payment to Musk in the XRPL that goes all the way back to 2013. Alright, this is just insane. On the other hand, this Thiel transaction is an activation for 5 million XRP. The Musk wallet, which now holds 16 million XRP, appears to have activated 3 more wallets, one each for Thiel, Anderson, and Asimov, on the same day in 2013. This becomes apparent when one digs a little further into the matter, as this person did right here. These wallets have also done business with others that bear the names of famous scientists, such as Newtons, Hubbles, and Sagans. I don't think it's possible to draw too many conclusions from the names. I mean, this is starting to sound insane when you consider Thiel, Musk, and I really believe that all of these were probably part of this ecosystem when it was young. It's no secret that they've been known to reach out to every major tech company. Elon Musk has mentioned XRP on more than one occasion, and Peter Thiel is another prominent figure who has made frequent mentions about XRP. I would be surprised if they didn't have grand ambitions for this project if they were involved in any way. A market cap of $1 trillion is likely their target. And Musk and Thiel are definitely the ones that can pull it off. Now that we've seen that bizarre sight, I'd like to discuss the state of China's economy, since it appears that the country is entering a downward spiral while the United States is displaying record market strength. I'll get to other big news, like a tweet from Brad Garlinghouse, in a bit. Many factors make this an extremely crucial matter. But before I get into that, let me give you a rundown of what's happening. Despite China's unprecedented stimulus measures, the country's real estate market is weaker than in 2008, the economy is in a full-blown slump, and the yield on its 10-year government bonds plummeted below 1.6% today. Just so you know, the US is struggling with inflation, while China is battling severe deflation, which is arguably even worse, and the US rate is moving in the opposite direction. In the past year, China's 10-year government bond yield has fallen by almost 100 basis points. Consumers cut down on spending when they anticipate prices will keep falling. As a result, they have little motivation to buy, and economic development slows down significantly. A hallmark of deflation. Actually, the biggest disparity in human history has also occurred between the US and China 10-year bonds, which is currently at 296 basis points. A risk-free investment in the United States would yield roughly 300 basis points more than in China. This is particularly true in light of Trump's most recent inauguration triumph. A flood of Chinese tourists are avoiding the United States in favor of China. Here, the tendency is plainly seen. Following the A&M and the election, China's spot yield began to decline, and today the United States is utterly dominating the game. Basically, what investors are trying to convey is that they are extremely optimistic about the US economy at the moment. As a result, American businesses will benefit greatly from our decision to invest in the United States rather than the Chinese economy, in which we have complete faith. I mean, the United States stands to receive millions, if not trillions, of dollars in investment capital from affluent Chinese individuals and families. The cryptocurrency markets in the United States, you can bet, are going to reap the most benefits from this. However, I am quite a distance away. No one else sees things the way I do. Alright, just 20 minutes ago, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse tweeted that the United States is welcoming the 119th Congress, commonly referred to as the most crypto-friendly legislature in its history. There is undeniable enthusiasm and energy growing throughout the business, and this is just the start of our adventure. Things are about to heat up when the chief executive officer of a major cryptocurrency makes a public statement like this. Many prominent millionaires, like Elon Musk, can be seen in the XRP ledger's transaction records. Someone is going completely bonkers right now, and we're also witnessing former Trump detractors openly donating millions to his campaign. It seems clear that Tim Cook, CEO of Apple, would contribute $1 million to the inaugural fund of President-elect Trump. Many people would like to have Trump's favor. Almost everyone wants to be on Trump's good side, because they know he won't play games anymore, and will whip countries into shape if they don't comply with the US. It seems to me that the United States has been giving out far too much money to far too many countries in an attempt to assist them in any way. Actually, it's all part of the Biden-Harris administration's grand plot to launder money, in order for them to amass a fortune in the millions. But I'm getting off topic. Instead, we'll discuss how XRP will benefit greatly from the optimistic outlook for the US economy. For the sake of argument, let's return to XRP for a second and discuss how, for the most part, everything fell into place just right for Trump's inauguration. Yeah, that's gonna be huge. We are fortunate to have elected the most crypto-friendly Congress in American history. Major issue. On both the daily and even shorter time frames, which are useful for swing trading, the technical indications show that XRP is about to launch a huge rise. Take a look at that. It is very remarkable. After that, a flood of capital from outside companies looking to make a killing would flood into the US market, specifically the cryptocurrency and related businesses. To be honest, that's the goal of everyone. The United States of America is where all the money is going. Therefore that's where you should go. I mean, it's hard to deny that the crypto sector is seeing a sea change. I think 2025 will be the most monumental year for Bitcoin that the majority of people have ever witnessed. I think it will have the most impact on XRP, bar, and XLM, among other cryptocurrencies. My video would not have been seen without you. Thank you for watching my channel and for subscribing. I will see you later.